I need to get me a truck.
Welcome back to the vlogs, guys. Alright, so as you see, I'm surrounded by my Cosmis. Today is finally the day that we're gonna install these things. It's been a long time awaited. And yeah, we're gonna go to GWT, I think it's what it's called, GWT Motorings. My buddy Isaac's gonna be installing them for me. I know I have to roll the fenders because the offset is a little wide, as you saw in the reveal video. So I have the tires in the trunk, as you saw again. All the wheels are in the car. The lug nuts are right there. And yeah, let's see how everything turns out. I'm so excited to put these on. You have no idea. Alright, so I had to make a quick pit stop at Starbucks because I felt like just getting everybody, well, not everybody, just at least like a few people some coffee, because I know they're really busy and they probably need the caffeine either way. So now that I have the Starbucks for them, why is that person just stopping? Oh my god, my car's gonna like rot here. Jesus. Now that I got the Starbucks for everybody, time to head up to JWT. Alright, so as you guys can see, we've already made it to GWT, and I've been saying it wrong, I always get it mixed up. But we've already arrived. There's a few cars in front of me, so I won't be able to do it right away, but my buddy Isaac's gonna be doing it for me, and he's first gonna test fit before if I have to roll the fenders, which is good. So if I don't need to roll the fenders, that's gonna be better. I don't really want to roll the fenders, but I'm pretty sure I have to roll them because it's wide. It's really wide. I'll be filming everything throughout as much as I can because I'm not able to go through the back, but yeah, so let's see how everything. Alright, so as you guys can see, I don't know if you guys could hear me over the music that's next door, it's very loud, but as you can see, they already took my wheels to the back of the warehouse, pretty much, I guess you could call it. They're gonna start mounting the tires, balancing everything, then they're gonna test fit to see if I actually have to roll my fenders. Like I said, I'm super excited about these. I really can't wait. I've told CJ Bill, he's the only one that actually knows that I'm getting the wheels on. Today, my crew is actually going to be having like a Cinco de Mayo party at our leader Sumi's house. So that's where I'm going to reveal it to everybody else. These people here, they deal with a lot of good stuff. It's GWT. Like, they deal with like a lot of these type of cars. Some racers, some trucks. Truck's really nice. Like if I get a Silverado, this is pretty much goals on what I want it to do. Probably not too high though. Okay, now my dude. Oh no, look at that wing. Wing and red tips. God damn it. So as you guys all can see, the wheels are finally installed. They look gorgeous. Don't mind the mess in the car. I'm gonna have to clean it later. I brought the car up a little bit, but geez, they look gorgeous. We put them on and we saw we have to roll a bit of the fender either way. Like that's all my finger go in, and when I was turning the wheel they would rub, so they are rubbing, so we gotta roll the fender a bit. But yeah, definitely worth every little cent I spent on this thing. I love them. They're my favorite things I've done to this car at this moment. For now, you know. Like, it's got a little bit of poke out, but yeah, it's so nice. Like, let me see if I can get like a walk around of the car. Just, Jesus. Ooh, look at that poke. So yeah, as you see, we finally got the wheels on. Super excited. And I'm excited that I was actually able to get this video out, because I know I've had the wheels on for what, like, I mean, I've had the wheels for 3 months? 3 months or so? So yeah, guys, thank you for watching. Like, subscribe, comment, share, do all that stuff. Until next time, peace out. You can leave it up to me to never fail or cease to switch it up. I'm still smoking plenty blunts. Some say it's too many blunts. Go catch me out here eating lunch. Then after that, go see me hunt. Pull up S13 and pop my hood and let my trunk